Good evening, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to Double AZ Slots. Hopefully, y'all having a nice Sunday evening. As for Armando here, we're at High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. We're in front of Mama's Millions. There's the jackpots on this. I was thinking of my mama, I guess, earlier today. We had a lot of family gathering. We had some nice, good menudos, some enchiladas. Brought the whole family, watched some games going on. And so got kind of like a little homesick. Going to see mama's, hopefully, if everything goes right for Thanksgiving. And as for everybody else, at the end of this video, hit the thumbs up. It'll help the channel. And also, if for those that are new viewing Double AZ Slots, go ahead and hit that subscribe channel, the subscribe button, and join our family. We got a lot more coming up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and we got a little bit of free play in here. We got $45, and it's a $1 denom. So let's see if we can hit it big for Double AZ Slots. Oh, I always thought if mama shows up, she'll come up, but nope, she's got to be on the pay line. So, oh my gosh, mama, if you could just come up on that, that'd be pretty nice. Let's hit max. Come on, mama. It's a quiet machine. Oh my God, mama and sevens are showing up pretty good. Oh my gosh. Wow. And well, there are free play and then $20 automatic. Let's go ahead and hit 3 all the way down and see if we can get mama along that pay line. If we do, that'd be 4,000 credits. Here we got a red spin. It's on buttons. Keep going, mama. There we go. We got open diamond. And we come up with private stripes. And that's 66. So we more or less double up on mama's millions. So thank you very much, mama. We're going to have her do a couple backup spins with this. Well, there's 15 on an open diamond. Again, never leave a machine with a winning, to me anyway, never leave a machine with a winning spin on. You never know what the next one might bring. And the next one. Okay. Well, we more or less doubled on the money and mama's millions. Thank you very much. And I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to hit stop right next to cashing in. It's a 50 cents denom. Don't get dizzy now, everybody. So 50 cents Athena, I'm cashing in. And we're gonna go ahead and put in, hopefully you guys can see if it'll take it. All right. We got 20 in there. Let's see if it does anything. Okay, let me put this thing back in. Sorry, folks. Let's hit max on this baby doll. And let's hit it big. A little dark, so hopefully you guys can see it. Again, it's a quiet little machine. Oh, that's 500 that come piping up on there. Ouch. Come on now, where you at? Gotta get a line hit somewhere. Hitting 2 credits. See if we'll do something. Oh my gosh. Let's get the next 4. Oh man. Wow, last one. Well, as they give it, they take it away, I believe it. So for those of you brand new viewing the channel, hit that subscribe button. We got more videos on its way, and also hit that thumbs up. It helps the channel. So again, this is Armando for AAZ Slots. Take care of yourself and be safe, and as always, see you on the next one.